Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare casein protein versus whey protein. Let's dive into their fundamental differences and how each can benefit your fitness goals. Whey is known for its rapid absorption, making it a popular choice right after exercise. Casein, on the other hand, offers a slower, more sustained release of amino acids. Understanding these distinct characteristics is key to optimizing your protein intake for muscle support and recovery. The primary difference lies in how your body processes them. Whey protein is a fast-acting protein, quickly delivering amino acids to your muscles, often within 20 to 40 minutes. Casein, however, forms a gel-like substance in your stomach, which significantly slows its digestion. This means casein can provide a steady stream of amino acids for up to 7 hours, making it excellent for prolonged muscle nourishment, especially overnight. Given their different digestion rates, their optimal uses vary. Whey is ideal for stimulating muscle protein synthesis immediately after a workout, helping to kickstart recovery and growth. Casein is best utilized when you need a sustained release of protein, such as before bed or during long periods between meals, to help prevent muscle breakdown. Both are powerful tools for muscle development and overall recovery. Nutritionally, both are high-quality proteins. Whey protein generally boasts higher concentrations of branched-chain amino acids, particularly leucine, which is crucial for initiating muscle protein synthesis. Casein offers a more balanced amino acid profile, delivering a consistent supply over many hours. Choosing between them often depends on your specific timing and goals. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you to help with your nutrition journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.